Hi guys, so here we are with Austria tourist visa approval of one of our client Mr. Valvito. Okay, so this is Austria visa approval, not Australia. Okay, let me tell you again, it is Austria tourist visa which comes in the Schengen country and one of the very beautiful country in the Schengen. So guys, as you all know, there are 29 countries in Schengen: France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Norway, and Austria is one of them. So in today's video, we will not only discuss about the success story of Mr. Valvito, and he also got his family tourist visa approval as well, because there are 4 people and now the 4 people have got the tourist visa. This is just Mr. Valvito. His family also got the approval for Austria tourist visa. So guys, not only his success story, but also I'm going to tell you one very important thing when you're trying to apply Austria tourist visa, which everyone will ignore. They don't see it carefully, but it is very important. So this video can be useful for you if you are also planning to apply Austria tourist visa or maybe Schengen countries tourist visa. So guys, please do watch full video, then only your doubts will be cleared. So guys, let's start the video. Before starting the video, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh. I am the owner of Akira Tourism and we provide you exceptional services for visa, hotel and packages from all around the world. So please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, as usual, Mr. Valvito has contacted us through one of our social media platform, and it's YouTube only. So from YouTube he contacted us and he wanted to apply Austria tourist visa. He was very specific, because he is not like others who don't know where he wants to travel in Schengen countries. No, he was very specific and very clear that he wants to travel Austria with his family. So he came us with the same thing, that he want to go Austria. What is the process? So first of all, what we did, we asked him the documents required for Austria tourist visa, and let me tell you, this visa approval is from India, not from UAE, from India. Okay, so we asked him the basic documents first, which is the passport copy, Aadhaar card and PAN card. These are the basic things. Then we need the 6-month bank statement, last 3-year ITR return and NOC from the company. So these 3 documents actually you have to arrange: bank statement, ITR and NOC from the company. NOC is for those who works in a company, who do a job in a company. So NOC means non-objection certificate. We will share this format with you. You just need to fill out the details and share it with us with your company stamp and the signature. And for example, if you are not working somewhere, you are the owner of a business, then we need the GST and MSME certificate from you from India. So these are the documents required. So he gave us all the documents, and once he gave us, we started the process. So what is the process now? The first thing and most important thing is the appointment, because in India everyone is like curious and not have that much information about the appointment of Schengen countries, because they don't know how to check also. Because if you check also, you will get to know that you are getting appointment after 3-4 months. But as you can see, he got the visa on 2nd May. Okay, so we helped him for early approval of Austria tourist visa. And once that thing is done, we started his cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, insurance, everything, and then we compile his file given to him. He went on the appointment date, he submitted the file, and now after 15 days the result is in front of you. So guys, I told you in a simple way so that you can also understand. But on the backside of this story, there is too much of hard work, too much of dedication, too much of focus from our team, who works day and night on your file so that you can also get the approvals. Okay, so I just told you in a simple and better way so you can understand that what are the documents required for Austria tourist visa. And when he submitted the file, after 15 days he got the result for his full family. He got the approval. Now let me tell you the main thing which I was telling you in beginning of the video, that what is the main thing you have to always make sure, that one thing is your bank statement balance. Because most of the people, they avoid this thing. They just upload the statement, they just print out the statement and take it to the embassy. No, if you have 1 lakh, 2 lakh balance in your account and you are going with your family and you have 4 family members in your family, do you think visa officer will approve your visa? Think about it. You are going in Austria, where the currency is euro, okay, and you are going for 7 days and you are thinking that you will be covering the expenses in just 1 or 2 lakhs. So that is the main reason for rejection of most of the tourist visas of Schengen countries. I will recommend you, if you are going alone, then 8 to 10 lakh is enough. But if you are going with a family, should be like minimum 15 lakh in your account so that you can also get the approval of your visa. And this is the most important thing of this video. So guys, please make sure you should have good sufficient balance. It's not like I am going to take your balance. It's not like embassy will take your balance. It's just you have to show in the statement. And once the visa result will come, you can take that money back. So it's not an issue. But to show, it should be there. So this is very basic point, but most of you will ignore it. And we just charge 10,000 rupees for any country in Schengen, like France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, any country you apply with us, we just charge 10,000. In this 10,000, the appointment cost, cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, everything is included. So you don't need to pay anything extra. Yes, the extra amount you have to pay at the embassy only. So for us, you just need to pay 10,000, which is including all of these things and our service charge as well. So this is the price we charge for Austria tourist visa or any country in Schengen. We just charge this much of the price. We have the reasonable prices for every country tourist visas, and the results are in front of you. So guys, still if you have trust issues, you can go to our Akira Tourism reviews, go to our TripAdvisor reviews, you will get to know each and everything. So guys, this was the video of success story of Mr. Valvito and little bit information about the Austria tourist visa from India. So guys, if you also want to apply, you can contact on the number mentioned below. We will help you with the full process of Austria tourist visa at the comfort of your home. So guys, if you like the video, press the like button, subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video with the great information. Till that time, see you.